Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham. So this is the last video on problems on measures of dispersion. Already 7 problems I have completed till the last video, and in this video few more problems I'm going to complete. This marks the end of the chapter measures of dispersion. So before starting the 8th problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. Always keep the problems ready. Take a screenshot of the solutions of these problems, then I'll explain each and every point of the problem. Come on, see carefully the 8th problem. A test to compare the lifespan of 2 makes of bulbs yields the following. Make one bulb and make 2 bulbs. 2 types of bulbs are there. The average means arithmetic mean. The mean of make one bulb 610 hours and the mean of make 2 bulbs are 640 hours. Standard deviation of make one 40 hours and for make 2 48 hours, and n number of bulbs are 36 make 1 and 36 make 2. Compare the variability and find which make is better. So previous problem I told you, for comparing the variability we need to calculate CV, coefficient of variation, that will be calculated to compare the variability. So specifically it is not asking in the problem. It is asking you to compare the variability, and we know it, variability can be compared by calculating CV, coefficient of variation. So whichever bulbs have a lower CV, that bulb is more consistent or better. The lower CV, more consistency, better. So here I am writing, to compare the variability, we calculate the coefficient of variation CV. Whichever group has a lower CV, that group is more consistent or better. So hence we calculate CV of both makes of bulbs. Make one bulb x bar 1 610, sigma 1 40, n1 is 36. Make 2 bulb x bar 2, the mean of the second bulb 640, standard deviation 48, number of bulbs 36. Now CV formula. Coefficient of variation formula is sigma by x bar into 100. Now everything is given in the problem. Make one bulb CV is equal to sigma. How much is the sigma here? 40. 40 divided by 610 into 100, 6.36. Similarly, make 2 bulb CV is equal to 48 by 640 into 100, 7.5. We have calculated the CV of both the makes of bulbs. Now compare it and see which make is having lower CV. 6.56 is lower. So we can write make one bulb are more consistent or better since it is CV is less, 6.56. That's it. This is the end of problem number 8. Now problem number 9. Calculate the mean deviation from mean, median or mode in respect of marks obtained by 9 students given below. The marks given by 9 students marks are given. Now we have to calculate the mean deviation taking from mean, median and mode. So actually mean deviation is the average deviations taken from the average. The average may be mean, may be median or may be mode. So in this problem we have to try for all the 3, right? Ignoring the signs. So first of all, calculation of mean deviation. So before making this table, first you see the notes here. We need to calculate mean. Mean x bar is equal to summation x by n. Summation x means take the total of all the marks scored by 9 students. So here the marks are 7 plus 4 plus 10 plus 9, 15, 12, 7, 9, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 students marks are added up. The total marks are 80. So mean formula, summation x by n, 80 by 9, you will get 8.9. So 8.9 is the mean, arithmetic mean. Now calculate the median. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2. N means number of students. 9 students are there. N is equal to 9. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 divided by 2 is fifth. Fifth item. So before calculating the median, first arrange the data in ascending order. So here lowest marks are 4. The lowest marks are 4. The next higher is 7. 7 is occurring 3 times. Then 9 is occurring 2 times. Then 10, 12, 15. We have arranged all the marks in ascending order. Now select the fifth item. That fifth item is the median. So which is the fifth item? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. 9 is the fifth item. So here fifth item is equal to 9. Hence median is equal to 9. So we have calculated the mean. We have calculated the median. Now mode. Mode is that value which occur more number of times. So if you observe here, which mark is appearing more number of times? 7. 7 is occurring 3 times, whereas the other values are occurring less than 3 times. So 7 is the mode. So we have calculated mean, we have calculated median, we have calculated mode. Now table. Marks are given in the problem 7, 4, 10, 9, all the marks I have written. Now I need the deviations from mean. Deviations from mean, deviations from median, deviations from mode. Because in this problem specifically it is asking to take the deviations from mean, median and mode. So deviations from mean, deviations from median, deviations from mode. And deviations will be denoted as mod D. D is written in between 2 vertical lines, 2 bars. This is read as mod D. Why we call it as mod D? Because we are ignoring the signs. While taking the deviations, we are ignoring the signs. So here x minus mean value. What is the mean value? Here we have calculated 8.9. So x minus 8.9. Ignoring the signs. So 7 minus 8.9. You will get minus 1.9. But don't write minus. Ignore the sign. Only 1 point. Similarly, 4 minus 8.9, 10 minus 8.9, 9 minus 8.9, we deduct all. These are the deviations, ignoring the signs. Take the total of all, summation mod D 21.1. So we have calculated the deviations from mean. Similarly, we calculate the deviations from median. Mod D is equal to x minus median. How much is the median? Here we have calculated. Median is 9. So x minus 9, 7 minus 9, you will get minus 2. But don't write minus 2, simply take 2. Ignore the sign, 2. Then 4 minus 9, 10 minus 9, 9 minus 9, all these values. Take the total summation mod D 21. Here summation mod D for mean 21.1, from median 21. Now mode. Deviations from mode, mod D, x minus mode. What is the value of mode? 7. So x minus 7, 7 minus 7, 0, 4 minus 7, 3, 10 minus 7, 3, ignoring the sign. Take the total summation mod D is 23. So we have calculated summation mod D from mean, summation mod D median, summation mod D mode. Now we substitute in the formula. Mean deviation. Mean deviation from mean is equal to summation mod D by n. What is the summation mod D? 21.1. So 21.1 divided by 9, 2.34. This is the mean deviation from mean. Now mean deviation from median. The summation mod D by n, same formula. How much is the total? 21. From median it is 21. 21 by 9, 2.33. Now mode. Mean deviation from mode, summation mod D. How much is 23? 23 by 9, 2.56. That's all. So we have calculated the mean deviation from mean, median and mode. Now next problem. Problem number 10. Calculate mean deviations. Take deviations from mean. Previous problem we have taken the deviations from mean, median, mode because it is specifically asking. But now it is asking you to take the deviations only from mean. From the following data, also find its coefficient. That's it. Now, Calculation of mean deviation. X values are given, frequency are given. The X values and frequency are given. It's a discrete series. It is a discrete series. So XF, multiply X into F, 2 into 1, Fx. We need Fx to calculate the mean value. F into X, 2 into 1, 2, 4 4s are 16, 6 6 are 36, 8 4s are 32, 10 1s are 10. Take the total Fx, 96. And n value is 16. The mean X bar, the formula is summation Fx by n. 96 by 16, you will get 6. 6 is the mean value. Now take the deviations mod d. X minus 6. 6 is the mean. So 2 minus 6, minus 4 you will get. 2 minus 6, you will get minus 4. But don't write minus 4, simply 4. Ignore the sign. 4 minus 6, 2. 6 minus 6, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 6, 4. Now f into mod d. This frequency is multiplied with mod d. 1 into 4, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 6 into 0. 2, 4, 2 is 8. 1, 4 is 4. Take the total. Summation f mod d is 24. Summation f mod d is 24. Now mean deviation. Formula is summation f mod d by n. Summation f mod d is 24. N is 16. 24 by 16, 1.5. So we got the mean deviation. Now it is also asking you to calculate coefficient of mean deviation. So coefficient of mean deviation is equal to mean deviation by mean. Mean deviation is 1.5 and mean value is 6. 1.5 by 6, 0.25. That's all. This is the 10th problem. So we have done 2 problems on mean deviation. Now next, 11th problem. Find the mean value and standard deviation of daily output of finished articles. So here we are required to calculate standard deviation, mean and standard deviation. Number of articles X and number of workers F. Frequency. The number of workers is the frequency and the number of articles is the X value. It's a discrete series. There is no class interval. So it's a discrete series. So calculation of mean and standard deviation. Number of articles we denote it as X. 18, 19, 20 problem में दे दिया. Same. Number of workers frequency 3, 7, 11, 14. These 2 columns are given in the problem. Multiply F into X, Fx. 18 into 3, 54. 19 into 7, 133. Like this you multiply F into X, Fx. Total Fx 2238. 2238. Total Fx. And n value is 100. So mean X bar is equal to summation Fx by n. 2238 divided by 100. You will get 22.38. So we got the value of mean 22.38. Now we have to calculate the standard deviation. Take the deviations. Now the mean is in fraction. The mean we got is in fraction. So we take the assumed mean. We take the deviations from assumed mean. Let the assumed mean be 22. 22. Instead of 22.8, I am taking 22, a round figure. Now D. D is equal to X minus A, X minus 22. X is here. So 18 minus 22 minus 4. Remember, for mean deviation, we have ignored the sign. But for standard deviation, we must consider the sign. So 18 minus 22 minus 4, 19 minus 22 minus 3, 20 minus 22 minus 2, 21 minus 22 minus 1, 22 minus 22, 0. Like this, you have calculated D value. Now multiply F into D. This frequency into D. 3 into 4, 12. Plus into minus will become minus. Here also plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. So 14 1s are 14, 11 2s are 22, 7 3s are 21, 3 4s are 12. Similarly 0. 18 into this 0, frequency into 18 into 0, 0. 17 into 1, 17. 13 2s are 26, 8 3s are 24, 5 4s are 20, 4 5s are 20. Take the total FD, 38. Now FD square, FD into D. Multiply 4, minus into minus will become plus. 4 into 12, 48. 3 into 21, 63. 2 into 22, 44. 1 into 14, 14. Minus into minus will become plus all. Multiply all these things, you will get summation FD square 490. Table completed. We got summation FD square, summation FD and N. Now standard deviation formula. Already previous problem we have applied the formula. Sigma is equal to summation FD square by N minus summation FD by N whole square under root. FD square is 490. 490 by 100 minus FD is 38. 38 by 100 whole square. So 490 by 100 4.9. 38 by 100 whole square 0.1444. Subtract kar do, you will get ultimate answer 2.18 is the standard deviation. So we have calculated the mean value 22.38 and standard deviation 2.18. This is the problem on standard deviation. That's it. So this is the end of problem number 11. The last and final problem, problem number 12. 11 problems we have completed. Now 12th is the last and final problem. An analysis of the monthly wages paid to workers in two firms A and B belonging to the same industry gives the following results. Firm A, firm B. Number of workers are 1600 in firm A, 1500 in firm B. Average wage means mean. The mean is given 2690 rupees in firm A and 2750 rupees in firm B. Variance of wage distribution. Previous theory video I have explained you. Variance means the square of standard deviation. Square of standard deviation is called variance. So if you want standard deviation, put the variance in under root. Put the variance in under root, you will get the standard deviation. Like 1000 is the variance. Put 1000 under root, you will get the standard deviation. Similarly, 1210, 1210 is the variance for firm B. Put it under root, you will get the standard deviation. Find out combined mean and in which firm there is consistency. So two questions are asked. The first question, it is asking you to calculate the combined mean. See carefully. Firm A, firm B, 12th problem. For number of workers, N1 is 1600, N2 is 1500. Mean value, X bar 1 is 2690, X bar 2 is 2750. Variance means standard deviation square. So sigma 1 square is 1000, sigma 2 square is 1210. So sigma 1 is under root 1000. Just now I told you, if you want the standard deviation, put the variance under root. So this is the variance, put under root. So under root 1000, 31.62, under root 1210, 34.78. These are the standard deviation. So first question is, it is asking you to calculate the combined mean. Already in the last chapter we have seen the formula for combined mean. X bar 1 2 is equal to N1 X bar 1 plus N2 X bar 2 divided by N1 plus N2. So substitute, all the values are given here. N1 1600, X bar 1 2690. 1600 into 2690 plus 1500 into 2750 divided by N1 plus N2. 1600 plus 1500. So if you multiply 1600 with 2690, you will get 43 lakh 4000. Similarly, if you multiply 1500 with 2750, 41 lakh 25,000 divided by 3100. So add up both, 84 lakh 29,000 divided by 3100. So X bar 1 2 means combined mean. So combined mean is 2719. 2719 is the combined mean. First question completed. Now second bit, in which firm there is consistency. To find the consistency, we calculate CV, coefficient of variation. So whichever firm has a lower CV, that firm is more consistent. Already I told you in the previous problem also. So we have to calculate the CV. So in which firm there is consistency? Whichever firm has lower CV, that firm is more consistent. CV is equal to sigma by X bar into 100. So firm A, CV is equal to sigma, already we have calculated 31.62 is the standard deviation. 31.62 divided by 2690. 2690 into 100. You will get 1.175. That is the CV for firm A. Firm B, 34.178 divided by 2750 mean into 100, 1.265. We got the CV for firm A, CV for firm B. Now compare. Whichever firm has a lower CV, that is more consistent. Here 1.175 is lower. For which firm? Firm A. So conclusion, firm A is more consistent since its CV is less. That's all. So totally 12 problems I have selected for measure of dispersion. So in this subject of statistics for management, 2 topics I have covered. First topic, measure of central tendency, and second topic, measure of dispersion. If you are continuously watching these videos, definitely you will get a lot of command on this subject of statistics of management. Inshallah, next video will take up the next topic, that is skewness, measure of skewness.